Hi, my name is Suzanne, and you already know I only bring you things that truly work. I did a detailed research, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about cell phone cash before you actually buy it, the pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. The first thing you need to know about cell phone cash is be careful with the website you're going to buy from. Due to the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of cell phone cash without even realizing it. That can waste your money and leave you without access to the real platform. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So, what is cell phone cash and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Cell phone cash has helped thousands of users, and it can work for you too. After many real-world tests, researchers created an automated system that uses a done-for-you website to generate daily commissions, even if you have zero technical skills. The system works by giving you a fully set up income platform that can start generating results in just minutes. Whether you're using your phone, tablet, or computer, it's designed to help you start earning online with simple, beginner-friendly steps. And since there's no need to sell, download, or install anything, it makes the process even easier. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with cell phone cash, and you can have results as well. But keep in mind that each person's outcome can vary. It may sound obvious, but it's important to be realistic about your dedication and expectations. One key point before buying, you can try cell phone cash for 30 days, and if you're not satisfied for any reason, they'll refund your money. To get real results, it's necessary to follow the steps and stay consistent. Consistency is key. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying cell phone cash from, and remember I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the process exactly and take it seriously. Remember, your journey is unique, so your results may differ from others. I truly hope cell phone cash helps improve your life, just like it has for thousands of people around the world. Take care.